GeopByte.
Look at the problem. It is asking like this. A stone tied to the end of a string of 1 meter length is whirled in a horizontal circle with a constant speed. That means the radius of rotation are given 1 meter because string length equal to radius of rotation. The stone makes 22 revolutions in 44 seconds. It is making 22 revolutions in 44 seconds. Then number of revolutions made in 1 second is 22 divided by 44 equal to 1 by 2. What is the magnitude and direction of acceleration of the stone? Direction is always towards the center along the radius. Centripetal acceleration, because centripetal force is acting towards the center along the radius of rotation. Then the acceleration we need to find. Acceleration equal to what? R omega square. But what is the omega? Omega equal to 2 pi n. 2 pi n. So acceleration equal to R into 2 pi n whole square. R value, R is 1, 2 into 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, pi square, 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square. It is 4 into pi square by 4. It is simply pi square. It is in meter per second square. So the centripetal acceleration is pi square, which is in meter per second square, and direction along its radius towards the center. Option A itself is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember centripetal force and centripetal acceleration are acting towards the center along the radius. Okay. Similarly, let us take the another important problem asking like this. Two boys are standing at the ends of A and B of a ground where AB equal to alpha. It is given like this. AB with the position of one boy, B with another position of the other boy. The horizontal distance between the A and B is given alpha. Alpha. The boy B starts running in a direction perpendicular to AB with a velocity V1. Boy B is moving vertical upwards, right? Perpendicular to AB means vertical upwards with a velocity V1. The boy A starts running simultaneously with velocity V and catches the other in time t. The boy A also moving towards the boy B to catch, and he is catching the boy B in a time period t with a velocity V. Then what is the, let this is see. What is the distance of BC? Distance of BC equal to V1 into t. Distance of A is V into t. Now let this is the right, this is the angle theta, let it be. Now let us apply. You are asked to decide at what time both are meeting. Time t equal to how much? For that, let us apply the Pythagoras theorem. Here AC square, square of the hypotenuse equal to side square plus side square. Here side square is AB square plus another side square is BC square. AC square means VT whole square. AB square means alpha square. BC square means V1 T whole square. Now you simplify. V square T square is equal to alpha square plus V1 square T square. Can also be written as V square T square minus V1 square T square equal to alpha square. Finally it is, let me write the T square outside from that. V square minus V1 square is equal to alpha square. Therefore, T square equal to alpha square by V square minus V1 square, V1 square. Therefore, T equal to alpha dividing by root over V square minus V1 square. That is the time for meeting the two boys. Look at the option. Look at the option. Option D. Option D is absolutely correct. Option D is absolutely correct. Of course, this T can also be written like this. T can also be written as root over whole root over alpha square by alpha square by v square minus v1 square. That's what it is given as a D. Option D is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes. Similarly, let us take the another important problem. It is asking like this. The circular motion of a particle with constant speed is, look at the options, periodic but no simple harmonic motion. B. Simple harmonic motion but no period. Option C. Period periodic and simple harmonic motion. D. Neither periodic nor simple harmonic. Dear friends, remember the circular motion of a particle with constant speed is always periodic but not simple harmonic motion. Therefore, option A is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? This is very important problem. Similarly, let us take the another important completed. All the problems what we have discussed completed. I hope all of you clearly understood all the problems what we discussed for the motion in two dimensions. Understood or not? Yes. Thank you for watching. Okay.
GeopByte.